In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use subtasks in Jira, the popular project management tool by Atlassian. Subtasks are a great way to break down larger tasks into more manageable pieces, making it easier for you and your team to stay organized and on top of your projects. So, let's get started. First, we'll head over to Atlassian's website, the hub for their collaboration software designed specifically for software, IT, and business teams. You'll find a wide range of resources here, but today, our focus is solely on Jira. Once you're on the Atlassian homepage, click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Using your existing credentials, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed further. After you've signed in, navigate to Jira Home. This is where all your projects and tasks reside, and it's the main dashboard you'll be working from. It's designed for easy navigation, so you can switch between different sections and tasks with ease. Once you've arrived at Jira Home, you should see a list of all the projects you're a part of. Now click on a project that you are currently working on or want to add subtasks to. You might have multiple projects listed, so ensure you select the one that needs attention. Once you've opened your selected project, you'll see a series of tasks displayed. Each task represents a piece of work that needs to be done. For creating subtasks, we need to select a specific task to delve deeper into its details. Click on the task of your choice that you would like to break down further. Subtasks are particularly useful for tasks that have multiple components or require collaboration from different team members. With the task selected, locate the Subtasks section. Clicking on this will allow you to start creating subtasks. This feature is vital when every team member needs to know their responsibility and where they fit in the grand scheme of the project. Each subtask can be assigned a name and detailed description to provide clarity on what's expected. You might also find it helpful to assign deadlines and team members so that everyone knows who is responsible for what. This step ensures accountability and helps in timely completion. That's all it takes to get started with subtasks in Jira. By breaking down your projects into smaller, more focused pieces, you're providing a clearer sense of direction for your team, allowing for efficient progress tracking and improved team collaboration. As you work through your projects, regularly check in on these subtasks, making sure to update their status as needed. This will keep everything organized and visible for everyone involved. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful in improving how you manage tasks within Jira. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at keeping your projects streamlined and efficient.